Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make your Snapchat account completely private. So if you also want to make your Snapchat account completely private, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you want to make your Snapchat account as private as possible, for that you can access and change some privacy control setting. For that, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. What you have to do is go to your settings. So in order to go to settings, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to access several settings options from here. What you have to do is scroll down to the section privacy control. In this section you'll be able to find the options like contact me, view my story, comment settings, see me and find friends, etc. So you can edit this privacy control settings and make your Snapchat account completely private. Let's start with contact me. So simply tap on the option contact me. Now you'll be led to the contact me interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, friends and contacts. If you tap on the option friends and contacts, along with your friends, contacts will also be able to contact you. So make sure to select the first option, that is friends. After that, what you have to do is go back. Now tap on the option view my story. Make sure to select the option friends only, or you can also customize who can see your story. For that, you can tap on the option custom. After that, you can select the friends who can see your story. Now go back. Similarly, tap on the option comment settings. Make sure to select the option manually approve over here. Go back. Likewise, tap on the option see me in find friends. Make sure show me in find friends option is not selected. If you select this option, people will be able to see you in find friends. If you want to make your account private, make sure not to select this option show me in find friends. Now go back. Similarly, tap on the option activity indicator. Make sure activity indicator is turned off. So toggle this button that you can see on this interface. Now go back. Now tap on the option see my location. Make sure ghost mode is enabled. Simply toggle this button that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option until turned off. Now when the ghost mode is enabled, your friends cannot see your location. Now go back. Now after you make these changes in privacy control, your Snapchat account will be private as possible. So like this, you'll be able to make your Snapchat account completely private. So that is how you make your Snapchat account completely private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.